intended the birth of Christ to be good news of great joy to human beings in general, irrespective of their tribe or tongue or religion. So it was not a divine mistake that the good news was announced by an angel to shepherds who were in Israel, and his star was seen by wise men who were Gentiles, idol worshippers. They also came to celebrate him. The angel announced his birth in Israel, but a celestial body announced his birth in the sky, that even Gentile nations saw his star and recognized that that star was not an ordinary star, but the star signifying that a king was born.